Hey Priyanka, is it possible to see things even at night? My mom says that if you eat a lot of carrots, then you can see in the dark.
Oh no, humans have poor night vision. Our eyes don't have enough rods and we don't have a tapetum. So your carrots won't help.
So, is there no way to see in the dark?
Well, we can reach for technology. Haven't you heard of night vision goggles?
Night vision goggles? What is that?
Well, they take the tiny amount of light that comes from the moon and the stars at night and amplify it enough for our eyes to see and resolve. Basically, they depend on photoelectric effect.
Oh, I know what is photoelectric effect. When a polished plate is exposed to electromagnetic radiation, it may emit electrons called photoelectrons. That happens only if the frequency of incident light exceeds a threshold value.
Yes, so in the night vision goggles, the photoelectric effect is used to amplify the presence of individual photons. Dim light from a night scene enters the lens at the front. The light is made of photons of all colors. Lens collects light and directs it to a glass plate coated with a photoelectric material on the backside called photocathode, which converts photons into electrons. The photoelectrons are accelerated through a potential difference of several hundred volts to a channel plate containing many fine holes about 10 microns in diameter. When a photoelectron strikes a hole, it ionizes atoms at the point of impact. This in turn releases several electrons which are accelerated farther down the hole to produce even more electrons. This part of the device is called a photomultiplier. The result of this device is tens of thousands of electrons leave the hole. These electrons are further accelerated to strike a phosphor screen, which converts electrons into photons of wavelength in the visible range. These photons then pass through another set of lens and into your eyes, allowing you to see even in darkness.
But why does everything look green through these goggles? Even at night, the photons that hit the lens at the front of goggles, they are carrying light of all colors. But when they are converted into electrons, there is no way to preserve that information. Effectively, the incoming colored light is turned into black and white. So, why don't night vision goggles look black and white?
The phosphors on their screens are deliberately chosen to make green pictures because our eyes are more sensitive to green light. Hence, the night vision goggles have their characteristic green glow.